In this video, we'll dive into what Cardano is all about, including its partnerships, projects, future potential, and even how you can get your hands on it. So if you are new to crypto or curious about Cardano, let's get started. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is a third-generation blockchain platform founded in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Unlike many other blockchain platforms, Cardano aims to be both secure and scalable, focusing on academic research and a scientific approach to development. 2. Cardano's unique approach. Cardano stands out for using a unique proof-of-stake algorithm called Ouroboros, designed to be energy efficient and secure. This contrasts with proof-of-work blockchains, which can be more energy-intensive. Cardano's layered structure also separates its accounting and computation layers, allowing for greater scalability and flexibility. 3. Key partnerships of Cardano. One major factor behind Cardano's success is its partnerships. Cardano has joined hands with companies and governments across the globe. For example, Cardano partnered with the Ethiopian government to use its blockchain in their education sector, allowing millions of students to have tamper-proof educational records. Another partnership includes Cardano's collaboration with New Balance to verify the authenticity of their products, and they've also joined forces with Dish Network to develop blockchain solutions for the telecom industry. 4. Cardano's projects and ecosystem. The Cardano ecosystem is growing rapidly. With the launch of smart contracts in 2021 through the Alonzo upgrade, Cardano can now host decentralized applications. This upgrade allows developers to build DeFi applications, NFT marketplaces, and other blockchain-based services. One of the exciting projects on Cardano is SundaySwap, a decentralized exchange that allows users to swap tokens within the Cardano ecosystem. Other projects include NFT marketplaces, DeFi protocols, and educational platforms. 5. Cardano's future potential. So, what's next for Cardano? Cardano is working on its Hydra scaling solution, designed to increase the platform's transaction speed and handle more transactions per second as adoption grows. This could make it more competitive with other blockchains like Ethereum. Cardano's goal is to create a self-sustaining ecosystem where every upgrade and development is backed by rigorous peer-reviewed research, which could strengthen its position in the crypto market. 6. Cardano price prediction. When it comes to Cardano's future price, experts have made some interesting predictions based on market analysis and Cardano's recent progress. Cardano has experienced significant volatility since its launch in 2017, reaching an all-time high of around $3 in 2021. As of 2024, Cardano's price is around $0.40, $0.60 USD per ADA. Analysts often expect that if Cardano's ecosystem continues expanding and adoption increases, ADA could see a steady rise in value. Some forecasts suggest that by the end of 2025, ADA might reach around $50 USD, assuming Cardano's projects like Hydra scaling gain traction and attract more users. For a longer-term outlook, by 2030, optimistic predictions project ADA could reach $10 USD if Cardano secures more partnerships and successfully competes with platforms like Ethereum. However, such high forecasts are speculative and depend on numerous market factors. 7. How to buy Cardano. Interested in buying Cardano? It's actually straightforward. ADA, Cardano's native token, is widely available on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Once you've signed up, you can buy ADA using fiat currencies like USD, EUR, or even other cryptocurrencies. Make sure to have a secure wallet if you want to store your ADA long-term. There are options like the Daedalus wallet, developed by Cardano, or the Yoroi wallet, both designed to offer safe storage. With its unique partnerships, academic approach, and dedication to scalability and security, it has the potential to play a major role in the future of blockchain. However, remember that crypto investments come with risks, so always do your research and invest responsibly.